Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese pine drink. You have two ways you can do it. You could either boil it or you could even soak it overnight. In this video, I'll show you guys how to soak it overnight, alright? So I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pine drink, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Okay guys? And also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video, and also please subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below, and all my measurements and ingredients for this video I will also leave in the description box down below. Okay guys? So let me just show you how to make Guyanese pine drink. Enjoy! Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some pine drink. So we have our pine skin here. So what I'm going to do, I have a mug here. So I wash out my pine skin really good. So I'm going to pour my pine skin into the mug. Just like this. And then I'm going to pour some water inside of it. So you're going to pour another cup of water in here, and you're going to put 2 cloves inside of it, and you're going to let this, you're going to cover it and let this soak overnight, and tomorrow I'll show you guys the next step. So see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's the next day now. So as you can see here, it have some frothing up top of the water here. That's good. So we're gonna sweeten up our pine drink now. So we're gonna strain this here, and then we're gonna put in our sugar and our essence. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm going to strain it out. Strain out the skin. Just like this here. Sure all of the pine water strain out. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your essence and your sugar. I will leave all my measurements and ingredients in the description box down below. So now you're gonna stir it up. You're gonna finish stirring up the pineapple skin drink. I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it get cold, and probably taste it on camera for you guys tomorrow, and then you guys see the end results. Okay guys, so this is my delicious pineapple drink. So see you in a bit when I taste it on camera. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's night time, so the video gonna be a little dark with me tasting it on camera. So this is my pine drink here, so I'm going to pour out some of it here. Oh my god, I love drinking pine drink, and this is a healthy drink as well to drink guys. It's very healthy for your body. So I'm going to taste it now. It's so delicious, refreshing. I love drinking pine drinks, so you guys should try this recipe. Trust me, you would like it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and also check out my other channel. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Okay guys, and as you guys can see, I have a different hair color, so if you want to see how I got this hair color, check out my other channel. I videoed the whole process. Okay guys, so take care and bye.